Hello students, welcome to GK, our subject. Today we'll start a 32 chapter of your GK. 31 chapter, we are skipping that chapter, and today I will give you a brief introduction about 32 chapter. Chapter 32, Human Organ System. Take out your textbook and you can also see what is there in your textbook, which are the pictures of the different organ system. In this chapter, you will study about different organ system and different organs make a organ system. And there are particular organs related to particular organ system. Human body has many organs, you already know. The organs that perform a particular functions form an organ systems. There are several organ systems in our body. Organ systems do not work in isolation, means alone. It does not work alone, but they work together as a team. Means in science, if you have studied a single cell, will there will be a single dot-like thing that is called cell in a human being, and afterwards all the one type of cells, a group of cells will come together and it will form a tissues. And afterwards, this type of tissues will join together to form an organ. An organ can be internal organs like kidney, stomach, intestine, heart. These are different organs in our human body. There are various organs for different functions. There is a digestive system, that is the digestion of food is only related to the organs, that is stomach and intestine and mouth. It will not undergo a function of respiration afterwards. So particular organs are made for particular system. So you can say the particular organs have different functions. Okay. So different functions are also being done with different types of system. There are major 6 system in a human body that you will study in this chapter, and that system will relates to a particular function, and particular organs are also related to that particular system. Understood? I don't want to make it too detailed for you. Just now you are in 3rd standard only, but just to remember the name of the system and the name of the organs which belong to the system. Okay, that much you remember in this chapter, the name of the system and the name of the organs which are related to that particular system, and what is the main function of that system. That I will tell you one by one, but no need to go in detail for you. Just for your information, I'll give you the knowledge. And so these are the 6 system of the human body. The various system of the human body are circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system, skeletal system, and nervous system. You might have seen all the names are written in the help box. Here you can see the 6 pictures of the different organs of the system. First one, if you write the systems to which the organ belongs. Here you have to write only the name of the system, actually, in the GK portion. Means the organs are seen in the pictures and you have to just write the name of the system. But I will tell you some functions of the system and which are the different organs which are related to the system. Okay, just for your information, it will not be asked in exam. First one, you can see the picture of respiratory system. Okay, first one is a respiratory system. You can see your lungs and also a windpipe. Okay, it is used for gas exchange in animals and plants. In both the way, in gas exchange in animals and human beings, this system is useful for us. It helps you to breathe also. And the main organs of the respiratory system are lungs and the blood vessels. Okay, so the exchange of gases takes place. It is also the breathing is a part of a respiratory system, and exchange of gas takes place. And the main organ is lungs, windpipe, and the blood vessels. Second one is, it is easy to recognize. It is the picture of a heart here. So the system is circulatory system. Okay, What is a system? It is a circulatory system. Heart, blood vessels like veins and arteries are the main organs of the circulatory system. Also the capillaries and veins and arteries, that is called the blood vessels, and along with the heart is the main organs of the circulatory system. Its main function is to circulate blood with oxygen and nutrients to and from the cells in the body. Means from the body to the heart and from the heart to the body. So to and from the cells to the body. Understood? Now see the third picture. Third picture you can see the rajma shape, kidney shape beans like rajma, that is the kidney of our body, and it is the excretory system. The system is excretory system. It excretes the waste product of the body. Means excrete means it makes it remove from the body the waste material of our body in the form of water, salts and nutrients. The organs which help for the excretory systems or work with the excretory part system of the body is kidneys, liver, lungs and skin excretes the waste products. So these are the organs of the excretory system. Fourth one is a skeletal system. Skeletal system, it is the internal framework of the human body, and it consists of 270 bones at the time of the birth of the human being, and it decreases to 206 bones by the adulthood. The main organs of the skeletal systems are the cartilages, bones, joints and the ligaments. Okay, now the fifth one, you can see the picture of a brain. Yes, it is a picture of a brain. It's consists it relates to the nervous system. What is the nervous system? It has two main parts. The central nervous system is made up of brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system is made up of nerves that branch off from the spinal cord and extend to all the parts of the body. Means there are two parts in the brain, that is the small and the big brain, and the main central brain parts consist of brain and a spinal cord. You can see the spinal cord is down the neck. It is behind the neck of our body. The peripheral nervous system consists of the nerves which will branch off in the near the spinal cord, and afterwards it is extended to all the parts of the body. Like arteries and veins are with all the parts of the body, the nose is also in all the parts of the body, and also it is connected to the afterwards it is connected to the brain through the spinal cord. Okay, so this is a nervous system, the main part of our body, which controls all the parts of the body, and it is the most important system of our body because it controls other systems of our body also. Sixth one is a digestive system. You can see here the bag type of things. Okay, it is a stomach, right? It involves the breakdown of a food into the smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed into the body. Until the nutrients are absorbed from the body, it is breakdowns. The food is breakdown in this system, and organs which are responsible for the digestive system are mouth, from the mouth where the food goes, and afterwards that is the esophagus, that is known as the food pipe. Then it goes to the large intestine, then the small intestine, and afterwards the anus where the waste product of the food materials comes out. Along with this, the solid organs of the digestive system also take part, that is the liver, pancreas and the gallbladder, that secretes the digestive juices to these different organs, that is smaller intestine and large intestine, and it also takes part in the digestion process of the food. So here you only have to name them and write alphabets according to the help box, and just complete chapter in your textbook. No need to write anything in your notebook. I hope you got brief knowledge about different system of the body, and in detail you will study in science in the 4th or 5th standard. Okay, thank you.